Good morning, guys. It's here. What's up, you guys? It's good. Looks for what you guys be up to? Right now, you guys, I don't know what we're doing, so we're just gonna do some stuff. So that's. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are vacuuming the car. You guys, yes, I'm vacuuming the car, so that's what's going on. So right now, guys, I'm just organizing the toolbox. So that's what I'm gonna do. So talk to you later. Right now, you guys, we're walking. So heading up, walking. So that's what's going on. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. You guys do give it a big thumbs up. Goodbye.